Today is day 7 of 100 days of propagation with Priscille. Welcome. And today we are going to propagate this beauty. This, my friend, is not a marble queen. This, my friend, is a Snow Queen Pothos. Now I want you to look at the variegation on this plant. How beautiful. Look at this. Beautiful. Now this is a similar method as the one that we use for the neon pothos because they are in the same family. So the number one thing you want to do is find these nodes. And the beauty about this plant is that it's a vining plant. It can climb, it can vine, and they grow aerial roots similarly to the monstera, which helps them climb right here. And so if we're propagating this one, so I'm propagating over here. I think I'm going to propagate this bunch here. I'm going to look for a nice node. And I think I'll pick this one right here. And what I'll do is I'll cut right here, so it's a clean cut on a diagonal, and there you have it. And this is my propagated bunch. Right, and what you want to do is cut the bottom leaves, which will give the opportunity for these two nodes to grow roots. You can tell, it's hard to tell on the camera. The interesting fact about the Snow Queen, it actually takes longer to grow than the golden pothos, and that's because these white, beautiful variegation is not as effective in the photosynthesis process. And so it takes quite a bit of time to grow. However, in about a few weeks, your cutting should grow these baby roots. Now I had my cutting in leca, which are clay balls, and it provides oxygen to my plant, to the roots, which stimulates a faster growth. Remember, propagation doesn't have to be perfect. It's a process. Remember that you are giving the opportunity for the plant to grow some more and create more plant babies. You're recreating life, and so be patient. Learn to love the art of propagation. And the more that you propagate, the better and the more confident you will feel. And that's the end of today's propagation. I'll see you tomorrow.